Hi everyone, welcome to Attari Classes. Have you ever thought that at your home, you have laptop, you have smart TV, you have phone, they all use a single public IP to access the internet. And who helps? The technology which help is known as NAT. Let's try to understand NAT. So in the previous discussion, we have learned about private IP and public IP. Private IP, they are used at your home, at your office, private IP address. But private IP address cannot directly talk with public IP. Public IP are used on internet. So public IP is normally given by the ISP to your computer. And how the private IPs change to public IP. And then the public IP, using that public IP, your computer is able to access the internet, access Google, Facebook, Yahoo. Who does this change? That change is done by the technology which is known as NAT, Network Address Translation. It translates the private IP address into public IP, and then you are able to access the internet. And the beauty of NAT is, my dear friend, in your office, for example, you have 1,000 computers. You do not need 1,000 public IP address. 1,000 private IP you require for 1,000 computer, but you do not require 1,000 public IP. One public IP is enough. So that is the beauty of NAT. So what this NAT does, NAT translates private IP address into public IP address. Okay. So for more information, you can go to our website. That is attariclasses.in. And here you can click on courses, you can click on CCNA, and you can see the projects which we do in our course, live hands-on practical training projects, where NAT is also there. So bye.